students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is to find dy by dx if x is equals to a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta and y is equals to a into sin theta minus theta into cos theta. So here we are supposed to find dy by dx, and here x is given in terms of theta and y is given in terms of theta. So we'll differentiate these two equations and we'll take the ratio to find the dy by dx. What I am telling, we'll find dy separately, we'll find dx separately, and we'll take the ratio. So from first equation, dy is equals to, we are differentiating this whole equation. So differentiation of y will become dy. A is a constant, so it is outside the bracket. Differentiation of sin theta will be cos theta, correct? Minus differentiation of theta into cos theta. So we'll take theta as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus of sin theta. Then we'll take cos theta as it is plus cos theta as it is, and differentiation of theta is 1, correct? And this entire bracket into d theta, because we differentiated theta here, correct? So this dy is equals to a cos theta minus this minus and minus will become plus, so plus theta sin theta plus cos theta plus this minus into plus will become minus cos theta, and this whole into d theta, correct? So plus cos theta minus cos theta will cancel out. So dy is equals to a theta sin theta, a into theta into sin theta d theta, correct? Now similarly we will find dx. So differentiation of x will become dx. A is constant, so it will stay outside. Differentiation of cos theta will be minus of sin theta, correct? Plus differentiation of UV rule we will use, correct? Multiplication rule of differentiation. So theta as it is, differentiation of sin theta will become cos theta. Then sin theta as it is, differentiation of cos theta will be 1 into, since we differentiated theta here, so multiplied by d theta at the last. Now here as well, plus sin theta minus sin theta both will cancel out, correct? So this will become a into theta into cos theta into d theta, correct? Now we are supposed to find dy by dx, So we'll take ratio of this equation 1 and equation 2. So dy is a theta sin theta d theta is equals to a theta sin theta d theta divided by dx is a theta cos theta d theta, a theta cos theta d theta. So theta d theta d theta, theta and theta, a and a will cancel out, means dy by dx is equals to sin theta by cos theta, which is tan theta. So tan theta is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.